Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to touch up these scratches he's got. And there, curb rashes. Yeah, that's at the bigger one. So what I do is use little wheel with a brush. Go from there. So what I'm doing is I sprayed some of the paint in this cap and just dab it, and then get these edges. Touch these up. And have it blend in. A little coat here. Yeah, you might want to do a couple more coats of this till you get to here. Now this I might have to just spray it in. Looking much better, the wheel. Have to do another coat on that side. But yeah, that's how you do the touch up on the curb rashes. And to do another coat on that side, but otherwise the whole rim looks really good.